Hello everyone, my name is Chef Gina, and today I'll be showing everyone how to make easy, healthy and amazing Nigerian dishes. Today we're making coconut rice, which is very easy, tasty and amazing. I am particularly excited about this because we're going to learn very exciting, fun and easy way to cook Nigerian dishes, our local dishes. So today we're going to begin with cooking coconut rice, which is one of the cheapest, healthiest and fun to make local cuisine. So we need just very basic things to prepare that. So today we have already broken, washed and sliced coconuts. We have rice, very important, already washed rice. We have sliced onion, we have pepper, we have our seasoning cubes, we have salt and vegetables, of course, for garnishing. You can use greens or you can use carrots, you can use any one available to you. The health benefits of coconut are so numerous to mention and they are going to be available in the description box below. Right. So we are going to begin with grinding our coconuts. If you are going to be using a blender like this to grind this, you need to cut your coconut to be at least this thin. It doesn't spoil the motor. Or you could equally use the already tinned coconut or canned coconut rather, coconut milk. But we're all about healthy, so we'll go with this. So after grinding this, we are going to extract the coconut milk from it. But first, let's grind. Next, we are going to add water into our blender. If you have a very big coconut, you can equally use the coconut water. But right now, I'm using a cup of ordinary water. Okay, you cover and you blend. So after blending our coconuts, we are going to strain. So right here I have a bowl, a sieve and we call this a strainer or a cloth strainer. If you don't have this, it's fine, you can equally use this, but I don't want to have any shaft rather inside my coconut rice. So I'm going to spread this over. This is everywhere. They used to strain pap. So you can get it in the market to buy. It's very affordable. I think about 200 naira or thereabout for a yard. So I'm just going to pour it into the cloths like this and allow all the coconut milk. If you still have some, you just need to add little water. Which case I'm going to add water to rinse out the leftover. Just a little shake. Pour. Then squeeze so that you can have everything out of it. Every single coconut milk. Can you see that? This is so we don't have any shaft coming out. That is the essence of this cloth. Okay, I think we have everything out. Oh no. Okay, I guess that's all I can extract right now. Okay, so right here we have our coconut milk. Let's move over to the next activity. So here is our coconut milk. So after extracting our coconut milk, it's just to pour it into a clean pot, which I'm about to do. Add your already washed rice, all of it. And you set this over your cooker, just like this. Okay, you cover and allow to boil. Then you add your already diced pepper. You cover and add your already diced pepper, sliced pepper, and onion. Alright, after adding the pepper and onion, just quickly stir. Then next you add your seasoning. I'm using Maggi chicken because I love Maggi chicken. Alright, you just open. Next is to add our salt. Just a little bit of this will do. So you drizzle, and that. Stir this in, and you add water. Only because our coconut water is not enough. You just add a little more water to augment this. After adding water, you cover and allow this to boil. So here's all the. So after adding our onion, pepper and seasoning to this, we are going to wait for it to cook for like 30 minutes before adding our vegetables. So while we wait for it to cook, I'm going to slice the carrots. You can either cut this any way you want it to, either you shred it, you slice it, you cube it, you dice it, or whatever. You can also use grater to do this, to make it a bit slimmer or smaller, but I like mine to be in cubes, small cubes. So here it goes. So while this has already boiled a little, we're going to open and check or test and see, so we can correct the seasoning. So here, I think a little more salt will do. Alright, let us see. I love the colors. Okay, that's just right. We're going to add a little water to this because the rice is still a bit strong. Okay, then you cover and still allow to cook. Alright, our rice is almost ready. Can you feel this? The aroma is just to die for. Like, I can't wait to actually taste this. So right now we're going to add the already diced carrots to this, and voila, we are good to go. Goes into the rice, all of it. So you don't stir too much, just a little bit, so that you don't make the rice become too soggy. So, oh my god, this is superb. I can't wait for this to get ready. Just cover it for like a minute and we're good to go. Alright, so while I'm waiting for our rice to get cooked, this is our coconut shark that we squeeze out of to get our coconut milk. Now, please do not throw this away because this is one of the best aspects of our coconuts. You can use this to make so many things. You can use to make coconut cake, you can use to make bread. For those that are doing ketogenic diets, I don't want to eat eba or any kind of swallow, you can equally dry this, you dry it, then you blend it into powdered. Then you can use to make swallow. That's the way you make your eba, you make your you make it that same way. Or you can also use this to make soup. That is another for another day. But the big thing I used to make is coconut cake, You can use to make bread, even puff puff. So many other things you can use to make so many things. And that one is for another episode. Thank you. Right. Now that our rice is ready, you turn off your cooker and remove from fire. So I'm going to plate this and have a taste of it because I can't wait to have a taste of it. So in 2 minutes. Right now I'm plating it. You can just toss the food into your plates, anyone you want to do. So ta-da! This is our amazing coconut rice. I just can't wait to dig into this. It's been garnished with vegetables, protein, and lots of amazing aroma. So let's dig into this together. Oh, wow, wow, wow. Wow. This is just too good. Too good. You will have to try this. Wow. I'm tired. Alright. So this brings us to the end of our coconut rice preparation. I hope you had fun. I hope you enjoyed this. And I can't wait for you to actually try this out. This is amazing. I had fun making this. I had fun eating it. And wow, it's nice. Ciao.